Great, so we're here at our inaugural session, and we've James Lynch gives us a quick little tutorial on watercolour with his beautiful set there.
Two containers for water. One is for clean water, one is for dirty water. So, there's a small set there. I'll just do something here, show you.
You painted those colors yourself, just to check.
Yeah, they're just a swatch. Yeah, just to show it. All these splashes just happened tonight because the paint was still wet from when I was painting earlier. So we put some water in there. I'll just put small stuff in for now. So we'll just use a small brush here. Basically, you want to paint something. Well, you've got to wet your things. Wet your paint. Oh, yes. Actually, we'll use this set since I've never used it before. You just do this to activate the paint because it dries up. So you just. Thank you. And it's as simple as just doing this, and we say. This is called wet on dry. So dirty water then over there. Right, and then in the brush you get clean water. This is a very simple one. And basically
So you put a dab of pigment down.
Just a dab of pigment, and this is just a simple thing now for a flower. Not by any means perfect either. So I'm doing it loosely on my hand here, which is you wouldn't normally hold it in your hand. And it's not the proper brush either. This is not a good brush. So we can. Oops. So you've got kind of rough petals there. You can.
Whoa,
nice. Do all sorts with them.
So you just pop a bit of pigment on first and then move the brush around it.
Yeah, and then you can make it. Well, you use the palette here for now. Let's use there. And get a bit of blue, say. Slightly darker. And you can put little. Do anything you want with it, you know, you can put it, and it's still a bit wet, but I can't stop, it's too wet, so
that'll dry pretty quick, won't it?
We'll just get the more pigment here, just into it. You can put little
it's nice color.
effects into it, you know. It's supposed to be thin little stripes, but you know. You can put dots around them, or you know, there's all sorts of things. Then you can. That's just a very crude and very simple thing, and you see now. Let's try this here. You do a few leaves there or something, you know.
Oh. And would you be a kind of an advocate of, you know, professional materials, or just kind of standard, or middle of the road, or?
It depends on what you want to do. I mean, if you want to do the watercolour, you have to buy good materials. Otherwise, you're going to be very disappointed. You know, the results won't be good. I mean, this wouldn't be a good brush. These are the good brushes here that I showed you earlier.
Were the colour inside here, or did you buy like? And then you squeeze them?
You can buy them. You buy them in the pans, but you can also buy them in the tubes to refill them. Then when the pan, they're called pans. So you can buy them to refill them, which is what I do with them. Yeah. This is not it. You do all sorts of stuff, you know.